Thank you for visiting accountingtoolware.com. This video will give you a brief overview of how an example timesheet entry and approval workflow operates in Accounting Toolware. The timesheet workflow begins with the manager creating a timesheet for each associate that they manage. The manager begins by selecting a pay period for the timesheet and then the associate. Managers can search for associates by name or ID number. Once the correct associate has been added, the manager can add more associates to the list for timesheets to be created. They can save the timesheet creation list for editing later, or they can submit the request, which will create timesheets for the listed associates for the pay period selected. Alternatively, managers can also select to filter by pay periods. This will add the same associates from a previous request to the timesheet creation list to save time for managers with large departments and consistent payrolls. Once a timesheet has been created for an associate, the timesheet will appear in their in-basket for date and hours worked entry. The associate clicks on the timesheet and enters the date and hours worked information. In the example, overtime is calculated once the regular pay time ceiling has been reached for that pay period. So if regular time is 40 hours per week, all hours after 40 will be calculated as overtime. Once the associate has submitted the timesheet will be moved to the in-basket in-process queue of that associate and to the in-basket queue of the manager for approval. Once approved by the manager, the timesheet is sent to the timesheet processing queue. The manager may also make notes on a timesheet and return to the associate for editing if needed. Once requests have been approved and submitted for processing, the timesheet will appear in the in-basket completed queue of the associate. The request will also show in the in-basket completed queue of the manager. For more information, please call or email Accounting Toolware.